Mastering percentiles in Python machine learning. Explore percentiles, their calculation, and applications in ML models. Percentiles, a way to divide data into 100 equal parts, providing a detailed understanding of data distribution. Each percentile indicates the value below which a certain percentage of data points fall, making it a useful tool for data analysis. Calculating percentiles involves identifying the rank of the data point within a dataset. When ranks are non-integer, interpolation is used to estimate the value. Formulas are applied to ensure precise percentile calculations. In machine learning, percentiles used to evaluate model performance by assessing data distribution and identifying outliers. They also aid in feature scaling and normalization, improving model accuracy. Python libraries like NumPy and SciPy provide built-in functions for calculating percentiles. These libraries simplify the process, offering advanced statistical tools for efficient data analysis. Interpreting percentile results involves analyzing insights into data distribution, identifying trends and patterns. This information is crucial for informing decision-making processes in various applications. Thank you for your time. You can find the content, examples, and our contacts in the video description. If you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We create video series for product, brand, and tech promotions. Feel free to reach out.